welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open this Korea little Barbie doll. It's maybe a Barbie doll, but I don't know. So this is Korean Barbie doll. She got a luggage and another skirt. This is the back of it. Okay, here you go. Now let's get close up already. Okay, now let's open it. Okay, let's open it. I'm sorry for looking. So, last video we opened that man. Yeah, Martin Nufa. Yeah. That video was annoying because I watched it one time. No, I was actually. Seriously? Just this? What is this? Okay, I just have to twist. Take out the tape first. Hey, Johnson. Let's keep opening. Do you want guys to take over?
Yeah, they put a lot of...
Can I use this one?
Yes. They try to fix the position of a toy inside the box to make it look better. But it's not that good.
What is this? Oh, you already unlocked this. Let's open this. Hey, the wires are hurting me. Everything should be right now.
Yes. We get what?
Can I use the scissors? Oh, we got glasses. Miniature glasses.
You like it? Or you don't like it?
And we got miniature scissors. No, that's just my own scissors. No need to wait, run. We got the little doll. Let's put the glasses on her. She still got something in her hair. Should I take everything out? Now she's still got something in her hair. What the? Why is there stuff in her hair? Her hair is super blonde. I like it. She got her own shopping bag. She got another piece of new shoes. She got both the same dress. She got the bag. She got luggage. Her hair. So pretty. She got the pink shoes and the black shoes. We have the pink, the luggage. You have this inside. We can actually put the new dress inside the luggage, guys. Okay, is that how you put it in? Just put it in. I don't care. Yeah, let's monkey. Okay, here. I'll just open this and let you guys see it, Ken. Okay, I just opened it first. Here, look. She can put this in her back. So let's open her clothes, right? Okay, let's open it. Okay. She has pants. That's better. She is maybe a kid, but she has a handbag. Should I take the rubber band off? Okay, I already took it off. No time to say no. We have to take her pants off. You're just kidding. We're just gonna put the... Yeah, we're just gonna put the dress on. Okay, enough. Okay, enough. Okay, John. Why do I keep calling you John? Dove Johnson? Who's Johnson?
Ben Johnson, you know? No, you don't
Who's
know.
that?
The guy who can run very fast. Just one of the guys called Ben Johnson.
He's run very fast.
He run very fast, but no more. He's too old.
He can't run anymore.
Yeah, he's too old to run.
How old is he?
I don't know. You check it on Google.
Google Home. How do you put this dress on?
Maybe you can ask Google now. Hey Google, who is Ben Johnson?
According to Wikipedia, Ben Johnson Jr. was an American stuntman, world champion rodeo cowboy, and Academy Award-winning actor.
Cowboy?
Oh, another Ben Johnson there. Well, that's another Ben Johnson from Canada. Anyway, there's a lot of people who have the same name.
Maybe you have to tie something here. Anyways, I don't know how to wear this dress. So I'm just going to put it on, though. Because there is Velcro that I can stick on first. And I put the Velcro first, and then I take her hair out and build something on the back of her neck. Because there's those strings. Okay, I'm just going to tie something. Tie a knot or a bow. I can tie both things. I think I'm just going to tie a knot. Is that strong enough? Okay. We got it! Ah! What is wrong with this? Shall we change to the black shoes? Okay, let's take the shoes off. The black shoes have bows on it, but not the bow with the string, the pink one. These are high heels, these are normal shoes. Let me put the shoes on first. Yeah. Good. Oh, she looks cute on those shoes. Let's put the shoes back on first. Ah! Wait, when I say something about the shoes, it just go off like this. Yay! Finally. So let's put her bag. This is her bag made out of cardboard. Let's put the handbag in it. No, it's too thick. Let's just put in her glasses, shall we? We put in the glasses. We put in the shoes in this. And we put this. I'm going to put the other dress inside the suitcase too. Ooh, this nice new cute dress. Let's close it. Close the suitcase. It's not going to close. So this is a suitcase that opens and it doesn't never close. I think you can only fit the shoes in there. Bye, shoes. Yeah, that's the only thing you can fit in besides the handbag. Let's make her hold the handbag. Okay, let's put her hands down. This one or this one? Or maybe let's do the purple one. Okay, let's put it on. I think you can open it. Yep, you can open it. Yeah, you can open it. Okay, so yeah, let's lock it so we can close it. Let's make her hold it. What? This dress is too short for her. Let's put this handbag on her. It works. It's cool. Look. So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.